Welcome to Getting Started. Update your company and office profile. To update your profiles, you're going to want to go to Admin, select Company, and you should have your company information in here. Basically, all we're doing is having you verify it, make sure your address, your phone number, this contact information is correct. And we just basically took the information you provided on your order form and then populated it in here. But this is where, if you're doing any kind of invoicing, this is where your company name and address would show up on the invoice, so you want to make sure this is accurate. Okay, so that's your company profile. Then we're going to come down here to sites. For your site profile, in this example we have 3 sites. You just want to make sure the critical part is if you're a Drake or Crosslink user, you want to make sure your EFIN number, correct EFIN number, is in this column, and your EFIN password, which would be a Drake password or your Crosslink transmitter password. Make sure that that is entered in here correctly. Otherwise, we won't be able to pull data from Drake into Atom, your EF data. So that's very important to make sure you have those EFIN and EFIN password or transmitter password there. To correct it, all you're going to do is select the edit pencil, and that opens up the fields, and you can change these fields. Everything else should be pre-filled in. If it's not, you just want to make sure you correct it. Say, for example, the hour difference from Eastern Standard Time. Then over here to the far right, we have these override screens. So company name override. So say if you have several offices and maybe you want different company names to show up on invoices if they come from those offices, or if you want a different address, say, for example, this Jackson office. This is the actual location for the Jackson, physical location for Jackson office, whereas our headquarter office is actually in Lansing, but on any billings or receipts generated for that office, I actually want the physical location to display on those billings. So that's why I put it here as an override. The company name is the same, so I don't need to put anything in here because I'm not overriding anything from the company screen. I'm actually using the company name XTAX. Phone number, again, this is an override. So normally on the billing screens, on the invoices, it's going to take whatever phone number is on the company page unless there's an override phone number right here. So we actually have a different phone number for each office. So that's probably typical if you have multiple offices that you may have an override for addresses and phone numbers. So just want to make sure that you verify this and update it for your records to make sure you're on the right track of using Atom software. Thank you.